Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get your gas fee ready for Hamster Combat launch. And the way you're going to do this is head over to Bybit. Make sure you have a Bybit account and that it is connected to your Hamster Combat. After that, head over to Assets at the bottom right over here. And then we're going to tap on Convert right over here. And then what you're going to do is we're going to choose USDT. And 2 shall be search up ton over here, and then we're gonna basically put up how much we want and then quote it. Once it's done, what we're going to do is head over to ton keeper or whichever ton wallet you use, and you'll see an option called receive over there. In that wallet, you're going to click on receive and you'll see that there is a address that you need to copy. Once you've copied it, come back to Bybit and we're going to click on withdraw over here. And here there will be an option which coin you want to withdraw. You're going to search up ton and you're going to paste your address that you copied from the ton keeper app and then click on how much you want to withdraw, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.